Hi, and welcome to this training session. Today, we're going to focus on the folder section. As the name suggests, this section is based on the familiar concept of folders and subfolders. It's the same idea you've seen on computers for the past 35 years, and it's perfect for organizing lots of buttons into clean, logical groups. Let's walk through how to create one. Start by clicking and holding the left mouse button on the cell where you want the section to begin. Then, drag to select the area you want to include. Once you've covered all the desired cells, just let go of the mouse button. Now, either right-click inside the dashed outline to bring up the menu, or simply press F on your keyboard. This will create a folder section with 3 folders added as a starting point. Next, let's take a look at the settings. With the folder section selected, head over to the inspector on the right side of your screen. Here, you can rename your folder section. It's always a good habit to stay organized. Under the Location tab, you can adjust the position and size using exact numerical values. Now let's go deeper into the navigation properties. This is where you'll manage your folders and subfolders. To create a new folder, just click on Main, then click the plus sign. To delete a folder, just right-click on the line or click on the menu here at the end and select Delete. To rename a folder, simply double-click on its name and type in something new. You can also assign icons and colors to each folder. So let's go ahead and add some fitting icons to our 3 folders. You can reorganize your folders by dragging them into new positions. Want to nest a folder inside another? Just drag it in, like this. To create a subfolder, click the parent folder, then hit the plus sign again. There are 2 easy ways to navigate into folders to edit their contents. First, you can click the main button at the end of the section bar to open folder navigation. Or hold Shift and click the folder buttons directly, just like you would on the Surface. Let's also look at a couple more customization options. With the Return Button Position selector, you can choose the corner where the return button appears, whatever works best for your layout. And with Folders/Shift button position, you can set where your folders begin and what direction they expand in. Inside any folder or subfolder, you can place buttons and even other sections. You can also scroll within folders for smoother navigation and better control. And as always, remember to click Apply or press Command S or Control S, depending on your operating system. And that wraps up this training on folder sections. In the next session, we'll dive into the popover section.
I hope this was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more training videos like this.